Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Noble Omoniyi here again. To my faithful subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time, try to click on the subscribe button below and also click on the notification icon to get notified when I post a new video. Thank you guys for your support from the previous videos. Your comments, they are really encouraging, and that's why I'm doing another video as well today. I'm sure from the title you all know what this video is all about. It is another episode of ORIKI OLODUMARE and their meaning. That means the Yoruba Names of God and their meaning. Commented some names I should talk about in the previous episode that you want me to, your favorite name of God in Yoruba that you know and you want me to talk about. So I'm going to be doing them in this video, and I'm going to be adding some more names from my own archives as well here. And if you have new names that I've not mentioned, please try and drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to treat them in the next episode. Also, I'll be posting the names, the pictures of the names and their meaning on my community segment, so you can always please screenshot them and post them as well. Just a way to support me and all. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate it. The first thing we talked about in the other name, we talked about the fact that the most common thing you call God in Yoruba is Olorun or Oluwa. Olorun means God or Lord, and Oluwa means God or Lord. Olugbeja Omo Orukan, the defender of the orphan. Emini tinje emini, I am that I am. Iye. You can call him Iye. Iye means life. Ijile Ife, original lover. Meta Lokan, the Trinity. Mimo, which means holy. Oba Aki Kiton, the king we cannot praise or honor enough. Oba Alade Alafia, the Prince of Peace. Onishenla, the great almighty worker. Alaya Funfun, that means the immaculate. Oba Womba, King of Kings. Kabiyesi, unquestionable. Oba Toto Biaro, a true and worthy king. Olori Ofe, the gracious God. Ologojulo, the one with the greatest glory. Olorun Pipe, the perfect God. Olorun Owu, the jealous God. Olorun Ife, the God of love. Olorun Tí ò yípadà, the unchanging God. Olowo Gbogboro, the one with the outstretched arm. Olubukun, the blessed one. Oludamoran, the great advisor. Oludande, the deliverer. Oludariji, the forgiver. Olubala, our savior. Olugbeja, our protector. Olugbega, the lifter of our heads. Olulano, the way maker. Olumoran, he sees and knows the heart of men. Olupese, provider. Oluranlowo, helper. Oluwosan, healer. Onipuore, the one with his barn full of blessings. Oniduromi, my advocate or my guarantor. Onishe Iyanu, miracle worker. Onishenla, mighty worker. Onimo gbogbo, omniscient. Ọba aláàánú, merciful king. Kìnìún ẹ̀yà Judah, the lion of the tribe of Judah. Oromonishe Fayati, the one who sends his children on a mission and wholeheartedly supports them. Adani Magbagbe, the one who never forgets his creation. Ọlọ́run àgbáyé, God of the universe. Alágbádá iná, the one clothed in a garment of Fire. Arúgbó, Ancient of Days. Akirishure, one who goes about doing good. Ashorekiri, one who goes about doing good. Ajashegun, the conqueror. Ojigiyigi, the greatest. Aiku, the living God, or the God that never dies. Aisha, the God that never fades. So our last name is Aterere Kariaye, he who spreads across the universe. So we have come to the end of the video for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. If you made it to the end of these videos, I give you a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to comment also the names of God, your favorite names of God in Yoruba that you want me to interpret or translate for you in my next episode. And also don't forget to go to the community section to go and check for the pictures of names of God and their meaning. You can screenshot them and post. Until I see you next time, thank you guys so much and have a blessed day. Bye.